This is such a fun hairstyle because not every hairstyle has to be big, and this is beautiful on really long hair. Often, clients with very long hair want hairstyles that are flatter to the head, nothing too big, because normally very long hair clients are not used to lots and lots of lift, and this is a fantastic technique of twisting the hair, placing a middle area, and matching the two sides up. Now, for the full tutorial on this hairstyle, it's always better to go to my Access Long Hair Members Club. I've done a full tutorial where I talk it through. It's about 6 or 7 minutes long, and it gives you the foundations on how to get this hairstyle looking amazing. As you can see here now, I'm coming to the end here. I've twisted the middle area. I'm putting a little quiff in the hair, and I'm going to join all the pieces together there, giving us our final look. I do think this is a fun look, and I think it's a great look to add into your collection. Again, you can do whatever you want with the front or indeed the tails.